That's what you can expect out there today. A wind advisory will last this afternoon through Thursday afternoon for pretty much the entire viewing area. Far southern Iowa has been left out. It's still going to be windy, just not as gusty. What we're seeing right now is what we can expect through the evening, and overnight they could get even stronger. Now this wind is coming in from the east. We're going to have gusts close to 40 to 50 miles per hour. So winds this strong will make driving difficult, especially on those north-south roads. That crosswind, it is going to be a real battle out there on the roads. By tomorrow morning, notice a little wind shift starting to happen, and as we get that wind shift, that wind change coming in, that'll be our best chance to get the rain or thunderstorms moving through. Even throughout tomorrow afternoon, the wind stays strong, and then by Friday, it's still going to be really windy, but the wind shifts and will be coming back in from the west. And we've got a huge spread in temps across the state this midday. Yeah, we're looking at freezing in Mason City and 60 degrees in Lamoni. Here in Des Moines, we're just about halfway in between, into the 40s here. It's just really windy, and with the gray skies, it is feeling pretty chilly out there. We've missed most of the rain so far here across central Iowa. Overnight, there were a few sprinkles and light showers. Most of it has been up to the north, so still some showers near Iowa Falls, over toward Tama, moving out towards Cedar Rapids. Earlier this morning, there was a light wintry mix in there, and the radar is indicating amounts anywhere from about a half an inch to over an inch, especially from Iowa Falls over toward Waterloo, where there was a persistent band of rainfall overnight. And here in central Iowa, we were just socked in with the clouds, although southwest Iowa is starting to clear out. It is going to end up to be a beautiful spring day across southern Iowa today, warm in the 60s and a little bit less wind than we'll have here. But this is a huge system. Look at how many people are going to be impacted from the Great Lakes back through the Dakotas, down through Oklahoma and Texas. A lot of colors on this map indicating watches and warnings. The blizzard warning is across west central Minnesota through South Dakota, Nebraska, down through parts of Kansas into Colorado, where they're expecting up to 2 feet of snow. Now across northwest Iowa, there are 3 counties here under a winter storm watch, and there's the potential for some snow, and with all that wind combined, travel is going to be really tricky at best, and if not impossible, across South Dakota. And look at this, besides severe winter weather, we're talking severe thunderstorm activity across Kansas and Nebraska later on this afternoon toward the evening, and even a marginal risk across west central Iowa as those storms get carried into the state. So taking you hour by hour, most of the day is looking quiet. Look what happens by 8 or 9 p.m. A few supercells are possible in Nebraska. Large hail is the main threat with those, and they will be moving to the northeast, affecting west central Iowa throughout the late evening and overnight. Even here in central Iowa, by tomorrow morning, there could be a few thunder showers rolling through the area, but looks like we're going to miss out on most of this system. Even the rainfall stays up to the north for the most part. Another ½ inch to an inch is possible, with less than ¼ of an inch across the rest of the viewing area. Right now, it's just really windy. Gray skies, 45 degrees, gusty east wind out there. Be extra careful driving today. Here's your 8-day forecast. It stays windy tomorrow and Friday. Slight chance of rain on Thursday. Then by Saturday, that system's out of here. Quiet weather moves in. But Sunday could be a little interesting with a little bit of rain or snow.